be giving you guys a demonstration of simulating pulse oximetry, SPO2. We're going to be using the BC Group FSX 1101 digital SPO2 simulator. This guy is small, compact, and it's got a touch screen, very easy to use. First step, we're going to go ahead and hit the button on the front. We're going to boot it up. You're going to see a brief splash screen, followed by a little indicator asking if you would like a lifetime warranty. Of course you would. It's going to start in a manual mode. With manual mode, we have 4 little areas of interest. We have SPO2, BPM, we have the selector for our types of finger probes, and we got the percentage of perfusion. We're going to take the finger probe, install it over the artificial finger, and make sure that the cable runs down the channel in the back of the unit. Select your finger probe according to what model you're utilizing. I'm using Nellcore. We're going to start out with an SPO2 of 99% and a 60 BPM. You should see it take pretty quickly over on the patient monitor in the corner. Now that our SPO2 is within spec, we're going to go ahead and change it up a little bit. Let's change our SPO2 to 85% with a BPM of 150. You're going to see it start to move immediately over on the patient monitor. Now that the unit is within spec, we're ready to move on to our next test. I'm going to take my SPO2 to 95%. Let's change it to 100 BPM. There we have it. We've now verified the finger probe, the cabling, and the patient monitor are well within spec. It's ready to go back into service and be used on a patient. Meanwhile, the FSX 1101 is ready to press on to your next device and test that one as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. We'd love to hear from you.